flat illustrations are basically flat illustrations are basically minimal representation of any garment design in which you have more open space. These are key factors of flat illustrations: clean and crisp edges. Now to create a flat illustration of this hood, you need to create an outline and all these details of stitching lines and of these strings. So for that, I have already logged this layer. So this is a reference image layer. Then this is body slash outline. So in this layer, we'll start with pen tool, no fill, black stroke. You can select any color, but for now I'm using black color. If you see this hood closely, it's a symmetrical garment. If you note this part, it's quite symmetrical. If you draw half of it, you can reflect the same and create a copy, and it's done. And for asymmetrical, you have to just draw this entire shape and entire body. But for this one, I'm just going to create a half of it and then reflect. So let's remove this and start by tracing. First, we'll trace the outline as in this area. This, not all these details. We'll trace only the outline like this, like this. Place the anchor point, and for this as you can see, this is a little curve. So place the anchor point, other anchor point here, and drag the mouse and then leave. Now click here because we want a different path. So then again a little curve, so like this, and then if you want, you can zoom in to see these lines perfectly. Also, while tracing and drawing, you can make modifications to these designs according to you. we have half of this ready. So far we have this. Now we need to add stitch lines, which we will do later. First, let's select these layers. So select this one, press shift button, select this layer, right click, go to transform, reflect, select this vertical reflection and press copy. Now zoom in. Now you can see there's these gaps. Now to fill, we need to join these strokes. So with direct selection tool, select these, right click and join. With direct selection tool, select these two anchors. Start with stitch lines. Now to create stitch lines, just go to Windows and open this stroke toolbox. So this is your stroke toolbox. In this, first select pen tool. Then from here, I'm keeping the stroke weight of 0.75, and in this dashed line box, I'll change this to 2 or 3, and the cap. So this is, if you this is your cap. This edge, this rectangular edge is called cap. If I want to change, you can change it like this. So you have all these options which you can experiment. For now, I'm just going with this round cap, 2-point dashed line, and with 0.75 stroke width to create stitch lines. Now for stitch lines, again we'll use pen tool. Place the cursor here. And then if you want, you can create a one entire stroke till here or just simply create half of the stroke and then